Gulf Coast Weather Solutions is sponsored by.
At Gulf Coast Weather Solutions, we focus on delivering reliable weather forecasts. Our new app provides reliable weather updates and alerts no matter where you are. With real-time weather alerts and warnings, you can stay informed and prepared wherever you go. Download the Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app today on the App Store and Google Play and stay connected no matter where you are.
Good evening, Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. I'm meteorologist Lucas Bostrick. We're looking at conditions right now in Lumberton where it's 80 degrees, a dew point of 70, and a high wind earlier today of 35 miles per hour. And we do have a current south wind of around 13 or so. It's still blowing a little bit out there. But if we look at our regional satellite radar sponsored by Switch Electric, we can see some high clouds now are moving across our region. And we have some light rain kind of way out to the northwest, and especially northwest of Abilene. They have some thunderstorms going on with the dry line way out to our northwest. Now, our regional current temperatures, we're looking at 78 in Beaumont, 81 in Houston, 85 in Lufkin, starting to cool down out there. Meanwhile, out to our west and northwest, it's still 94 in Amarillo as well as Laredo. So we can see that some areas are definitely getting some pretty warm temperatures out there. Current local temperatures, sponsored by Neutron Electrical Services, shows that we're running right now around 80 degrees in the upper 70s, kind of scattered around with a lot of lower 80s as well. And our future cast, we can see that over the next few days, we're going to continue to see rather strong winds off the Gulf. Now, rain chances over the weekend should be pretty minimal. We're not really expecting anything until at least Sunday as far as a chance to rain. So tomorrow should be pretty dry. As we get into the Sunday time frame, we'll still even see more moisture start to come on in, but rain chances should be pretty small overall until we at least get into the Monday time frame, which we will see a little bit of a better chance of rain coming up, just like this model is showing. It's probably going to be more so in our northern regions that would have the better chance of rain for Monday, but coming up on Tuesday, that will be a very different story, as we will have more dynamics available for storms closer to the coast. And of course, we're going to have a very stormy pattern for the next several days coming up next week. It'll be really stormy starting up on Tuesday evening and Wednesday. And then again, Thursday and Friday, it looks like we could still see scattered storms. It's a very unstable pattern overall. So get ready for that, definitely coming up. Now, lows tonight, that's sponsored by Soulsby Ford, should be out there in the lower 70s and upper 60s, kind of scattered around in a few places, but definitely warmer tonight. Highs tomorrow should be out there in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees in a few places, and a few mid 80s scattered around for highs in Southwest Louisiana, and also further east in Southeast Texas towards the Beaumont area should probably be in the mid 80s or so for highs. But our 7-day outlook, it calls for windy conditions really starting to pick up, especially as we get into Monday and Sunday, of course. That'll be when we have our windiest conditions. But certainly we will be seeing an increase in showers and thunderstorms by Tuesday evening into Wednesday. And those chances of rain continue well into the end of next week. So we could be looking at quite a bit of rain over the next 7 to 10 days once we get into Monday. Same for Lake Charles and Kinder. You have a little bit of a better chance of rain on Sunday, starting off at 30%. But certainly by Tuesday evening into Wednesday, we're going to see those chances really climbing up to 70% by then. And then we'll see those chances drop on off. Now, make sure that you have our Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app. It's available right now on iOS and Google Play for free. Gives you the latest weather updates to keep you weather aware. And check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/GulfCoastWX, as well as our Facebook page to keep you well aware of what is going on here at Gulf Coast Weather Solutions. All right, everyone, have a good evening, and check out Johnny's Saturday edition for you coming up tomorrow. I would keep forgetting today's Friday. It feels kind of like Thursday almost, but anyway, check out his video for you coming up tomorrow. Have a good evening.